let's talk about tensioning a string line. There's a number of different ways to do it, but journeyman I work for, when I first started in this business, taught me, you get the end of a string and it doesn't really matter how big it is or isn't or anything like that. All you gotta do, put your finger around the string like that and spin it around so that you get a bunch of loops on it. Then you can set that on your screw or nail and you can pull against that so you can tighten the string, and then you just pull it back against itself and boom, good to go. And then when you want to take it apart again, you just kind of pull it back against itself and off it comes. Nice, easy trick for tensioning a string line. Now you know.